Most students were studying in college. While they were studying, I was scaling brands on Amazon. I'll give you a breakdown in today's video. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. Now, before I started on Amazon, the first thing I did was master eBay. So I was making almost $10,000 a month on eBay. Things were going extremely well, and I was selling vape pens, right? These vape pens, they used to be the craziest thing, the biggest trend, and I was in college while selling this on eBay, and it was just amazing to see that type of money come in while you're in college as a student. The money was coming in, it was an exciting time, and then boom, there was a new law that the FDA passed, and eBay was intertwined with it, where they banned vapes, e-cigarettes, and related products in general on eBay. So in one day, all the sales came tumbling down. But the good news is I learned a lot on how to sell online. And after that, I was like, okay, I think I should expand. I need to sell. I just talked to people in college. I was like, hey, I made money doing this. It was super exciting. Maybe we can start something together, right? Just start talking to people. And that's kind of where it led me today. And that was the University of Tampa. I went to college as a cybersecurity major. I did graduate, but a lot of it was not studying. A lot of it was building a brand. And I met somebody, his name's Andrew right here on the right. We created a brand. He was excited. He was like, you know how to sell? I know how to sell on eBay. Let's expand to Amazon. And what we did is we created a pen that had a camera in it, and we called it I Spy Pens. It did extremely well in the first year, and we were making $10,000 a month in sales. It was super exciting, over $100,000 in our first year. And it was just amazing. Again, where we were able to go to our classrooms and all of the teachers knew us because we were hiring students to help package our items, to help work with us, and it was very exciting. And what do you know? After the first year of making over $100,000, another law was passed on Amazon. No hidden cameras allowed. And just like that, all of our listings were getting taken down left and right. It was terrible, a really bad time again. And I already went through this once on eBay. Now no hidden cameras are allowed. It's like somebody is there watching us become successful and kicking us down. But at the end of the day, what I did learn was, okay, you should have multiple streams of income. And we had a mentor at the University of Tampa. The good thing about college is you have access to a lot of people, a lot of teachers, a lot of people who are willing to help you and are excited for you. And pretty much what happened is this mentor said, hey, you guys, instead of doing the spy pens, start expanding. And you already know how to do this. Work with people who already have products. And he said, start an Amazon consulting agency. That's pretty much where it led to. And my friend was like, he didn't want to. He just wanted to keep selling spy pens and expand that business. And I wanted to start a consulting agency. So we split our separate ways, and now we're here where we are today. It was very easy to get clients because I already succeeded on eBay. I already had proof that we succeeded on Amazon. We were on Fox News, right? We were live because we were students. It was super easy to get the news crew there and stuff to help increase sales and just be seen by everybody. So I had tons of credibility. So it was very easy for me to go out and get clients. Once I started to get clients, then I started to hire and create systems and create training. And that's where it led to this photo today, where I actually flew to the Philippines, and I have a lot of outsourced people. I do have people working in the US as well, in India, Bangladesh, different countries. But the Philippines right now is the biggest part of our team that we have, and they've done extremely well. So we were able to build that up over time. It didn't take a day. I could have given up after the eBay and just been, hey, I'm just going to do cybersecurity. My parents hated me because I got a degree and I never used it, but I got the degree. So it all worked out at the end of the day. That kind of led me into the whole business and everything. And you can see the networking was easy. If you live in a city, right, and you have the backup, you have a lot of colleges are always doing networking events. or near colleges, near cities. And in cities, there are people who have a lot of money. So again, I was meeting a lot of different people, and then they would introduce me to somebody else. I would just go to them. I help businesses sell on Amazon. I used to sell these spy pens, went viral on Fox News, but now, you can't sell spy pens. Looking to help people expand on Amazon. Super short story, right? And they were like excited for me. And then they would introduce me to other people. And you can see this guy had a McLaren, he had a Lamborghini, people with tons of money. Once you get in front of the right people, it really helps you succeed in your area of business. It's just about going out and being there. And that was a part of it. This was early in my journey, but very exciting stuff. And that's just pretty much a little taste of how I became an Amazon consultant. And that's it for today's video. If you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full Amazon account management service. This is where we'll fully manage your inventory, calling Amazon, customer service, advertising, increasing sales, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business every day, like calling Amazon for hours on end just to fix an issue. Let us help you save time, money, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.